Do you know the inside layout of this container house? In this video, I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside, so we have living cum kitchen area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, also tea unit on the front wall, and we have a kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. And on the right side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and also 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. We have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of living room also. After that we will go on the left side, so we have 3 feet in meter 0.91 meter wide passage here, and on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we will go inside, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and also 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this bedroom. And also we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.